on still. Now, what you want to learn now is what we call risk management. So what you should do when you're thinking about risk management is, I think this is even a good trade to enter. And let me enter the trade. So now exactly this is what I want to teach you. Now sometimes you might receive the signal late, and so when you receive it, it's going to be different from the entry point. So it means if I send the signal and I told you you should enter at 12.150, now already now the market price is already 12.082. So it means if you put 10.082, it means if you put 10.150, you have to wait till it goes up to 10.150, and it has already passed, maybe because the signal is already going smooth. So what you do in cases like this is, instead of limits, you click on market. So what you're saying with market is that I'm entering this trade with the same, just exactly at this point, whatever this point is, that's when I'm entering this trade. And so when I put this, I say I'm using 25%. And so if the trade says your take profit is going to be 12.00 and your stop loss is going to be 10.180. So now let's say we use this amount. So you just click on sell short. Now you find out immediately it's going to go under positions. So you cancel this and you cancel this, and you find out that, see, it's immediately now under position. And you see now I'm now on profit to an extent, because this margin I use is very small, but that's how it is. So sometimes you might receive the signal late. It is expedient that you don't actually put the entry point. You look for the market price. If the thing has passed your entry point, you look for the market price and set everything. Now is everything about the trade. The mark price is this, and you just do it. Sometimes the stop profit and loss might not work, so you can come here, you click on stop profit and loss, you come here. Now in fact, this will even show you how much you stand to get. If I put that I want my take profit to be 10.0, it's going to tell me that my estimated PNL will be 0.46. If I say I want my stop loss to be 10.200, it's going to tell me my estimated loss is going to be $0.81. And so I could just put confirm here, and as soon as I click confirm, it's going to work. As soon as this thing goes all the way to 10.100, the close trades immediately. As soon as it goes all the way to 10.200, the trade close immediately. This is how you trade. This is how we make a lot of money. And I'm going to show you a glance through so many signals. Yeah, this is what was dropped. The same thing I told you. This is the same thing here. So even when I personally entered this trade I received, I entered late, so I used market price and not limit, and that's how it works. And now over time, this is the percentage increase, 73.13%.